Hello and welcome back to Ashley U Life. Would you believe me if I told you that this was 9 a.m. makeup? Well, it is, and I just freshened it up right now, and I'm going to show you how I did that. So right now I have on 9 a.m. makeup. It is now 9 p.m. so that's 12 hours later, and this is what my makeup looks like, which I'm actually going to be going to bed after this, but if I was going to be going out again, I would definitely want to freshen up this makeup. It's kind of coming off just in a few places here and there, but I want to show you a fast, easy way to do this, and all three of these things I actually keep in my purse at all times. So whether you're at home or in your car, you can freshen up at any time. So the three things that I keep in my purse at all times, no matter what, are obviously some kind of lip gloss, mascara, and translucent powder, and a brush. So the first thing I'm going to do is just going to even out my skin tone again because my makeup is kind of worn off throughout the day. So I just want to make it look like fresh and bright. So I'm going to use my Physicians Formula translucent powder that I love oh so much to just brighten my face back up and bring it back to life. So I'm just going to take my brush and I'm really going to focus on under the eye and just dusting it on. And then just everywhere else you need it. I'm going to try not to go over the spaces on my face that have color because I want the color to still shine through. I'm just trying to cover up the places where my actual foundation has started to come off. So you can kind of just see that my skin tone has just like overall evened out. And so then the next thing we want to do is mascara, because as I did that translucent powder, a little bit of the translucent powder probably got on my eyelashes, making them become not as bright and open. So you want to open your eyes back up, hence adding mascara. Doesn't that just really bring the whole face back to life compared to what it was before I put on the mascara? It just really reawakens your makeup, and all I've done is added some translucent powder and put on my mascara. That's it. So now for the final touch, we're gonna put on some lipstick, lip gloss, whatever you want to brighten up the face. So I just have this little lipstick palette here that I grabbed from my purse just because it had lots of different colors. I'm gonna go with this guy and kind of just like mix some colors together. And I'm just using my finger because, again, I could be in my car doing this. By the way, if you are loving my nails right now and like wishing you could have them too, you can. I just made a class on it. I'll put the link up there so you could go check it out. And now I have my lips back on and I'm just like completely refreshed. You wouldn't know that this is 9 a.m. makeup if I didn't tell you. And also another little thing you can do, if you have like a pinky tone lip gloss or something with you, you can use that to like freshen up your cheeks a little bit if you feel like they've lost a little color. And if you do that and you're like, oh my gosh, that was too much color, don't worry. Just take your translucent powder brush and just kind of like dust over it and you'll be okay. Don't worry. And then the final step that I would do to like feel completely refreshed. Now, of course, this is just if your hair is down. If you have it up and styled, like you probably don't have to worry about this. If I was in my car, I would get out of my car and I would flip my head upside down, give my hair a little toss to give it some volume and just like kind of bring it back to life, make it a little wild. And now I'm ready. I can go back out. No worries. I have 9 a.m. makeup on, but no one knows that because I refreshed it just a little bit. Remember, there's only 3 little things that you could keep in your purse. You can even just keep them in your car if you want to for just emergency situations. Of course, I do keep other things in my purse too sometimes, like sometimes I have a random eyeliner or I actually do have some blush, but these are just the basics, the necessities. These 3 things will save your life if you just need to refresh yourself just a little bit, no matter what situation you're in. I hope these refreshing tips have been helpful and come in handy in the future. And as always, make sure to like and share so other people can like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. So I do have a more like intense version of freshening up your makeup when I'm at my actual house when I have all my other stuff. So if that's something you do want to see, let me know in the comments below and I'll make that happen for you. But this was just my easy breezy freshen up class. And hey, if you're not part of the Ashley U family yet, please do hit that subscribe button. I do hair, makeup, and life hack classes weekly, and I just don't want you to miss out on any of the fun. So make sure when you hit the subscribe button, you hit the little bell next to it because that bell lets you know right away when I upload a new class so you don't have to miss out on a thing.